Today's Quora question is about rebuilt versus new automatic transmissions. Now, what is the average lifespan of a transmission after it's been rebuilt versus brand new? Well, let's expand this just a little bit. We have three types of transmissions that we deal with. Well, actually, we only deal with two. We don't deal with rebuilts at all. Now, remanufactured or brand new is what we deal with. All right, now what's the difference here? Well, first, rebuilt is a loose term that can apply to just about anything, and there are people out there that will take advantage of these terms, so you have to be careful. Certainly not saying that every shop that rebuilds a transmission is going to be out to take you, because that's not the case. They may be completely above board and give you an excellent job, but you have to be careful and ask questions. Now, what's the difference? Well, a rebuilt transmission is where they go into it and they usually put soft parts, gaskets, seals, things like that, maybe a clutch pack, and replace whatever part is worn or broken. Now, they don't do a whole lot in there, and sometimes even the broken part is going to be replaced by one that's taken out of another used transmission. Now, it's the cheapest way to go, and if you're not planning on keeping the car for a long time, read the fine print in the warranty, and all right, it may work. What we use almost exclusively in our shops are factory remanufactured transmissions. Now, remanufactured means that they go through the transmission and all of the wear parts are replaced. If there are any technical service bulletins or anything like that where the transmission has to be updated, they update it. And they give you a very strong warranty in most cases. So essentially, a factory remanufactured transmission is going to be very much like, and sometimes even better than, a brand new one, because any known defects are going to be addressed in that remanufacturing process. So do your homework, figure out which one is best for you. We highly recommend factory remanufactured units. And if you have a question, a comment, or just want a lot of great automotive information, Goss-garage.com. Or follow us on Facebook, look us up on YouTube.